Let's see how to use the InstaCuppa 4-in-1 Capsule Coffee Maker. First, you need to fill the water tank. Do not fill above the max level. Place the water tank back on the coffee machine. Match the notch of the adapter and the filter basket. Put 5 to 6 grams of ground coffee and gently tamp. Ensure that you do not press it very hard. Close the cap and open the lever to place the adapter. Once you open the lever, you will be able to slide in the adapter. Ensure that you close the lever. Now press the power button and select a brewing size to your liking. Place a mug or cup and press the start button. The brewing will start within a few seconds and it will automatically stop once it's done. After brewing, open the lever and take off the adapter for cleaning. To use a large filter basket, you need to follow the same steps, but here you need to put 11 to 12 grams of ground coffee, gently tap and close the lid. Open the lever and place the coffee powder adapter. Press the power button and select a brewing size to your liking and press the start button. The brewing will take a few seconds and you will get your nice fresh cup of coffee. For cleaning, you need to open the lever and take off the adapter. Now let me show you how to adjust the drip tray for small sized cup. Place the adapter and select a size. Adjust the drip tray as shown and place your shot glass or a small cup. Press the start button to start brewing and it will automatically stop once done. Do not forget to open the lever and take off the adapter for cleaning. Now let's use the Nespresso capsule adapter. Open the adapter and place the capsule as shown. Open the lever and place the capsule adapter. Close the lever. Select a brewing size to your liking and press the start button. The brewing will start within a few seconds and it will automatically stop once done. To clean the adapter, open the lever and take it off. Open the Dolce Gusto pod adapter and place the Dolce Gusto pod as shown. Close the lid. Now open the lever of the machine and place the adapter. Close the lever. Select a brewing size and then press the start button. Within a few seconds, you'll get a nice cup of Dolce Gusto. Open the lever and take off the adapter for cleaning. For hot water, you can use any adapter. Ensure that it's empty. Open the lever and place the adapter. Close the lever and press the hot water button. After that, you can press it again to select a size, then press the temperature button to select a suitable temperature, and then press the start button. The hot water will start dispensing within a few seconds and will automatically stop. You can drink it as is or use it to make other beverages.